What is cancer? How to stop it? Cancer, according to National Cancer Institute, cancer is a term used for disease in which abnormal cells divide without control and are able to invade other tissues. But cancer are all cells of our body. First, let's see how cells of our body survive. This is a cell. Most cells of our body need energy to survive. Without energy, they will die. There are two major energy processes. One is respiration. One is fermentation. In respiration, glucose is converted to CO2 and water. In fermentation, glucose is converted to lactate. Most cells of our body can do both respiration and fermentation. What is the difference between normal cell and cancer cell? Since 1920, Dr. Warburger first observed cancer cell mainly depends on fermentation to survive, but normal cell mainly depends on respiration to survive. Not all cells mainly depend on fermentation divide, but all cells mainly depend on respiration do not divide. So, normal cell mainly depends on respiration. Cancer cell mainly depends on fermentation. How to stop cell divide to stop cancer? Increase respiration will stop cancer. The best way is to give what cancer likes. Cancer likes sugar. Because cancer mainly depends on fermentation, normal cell. Cancer likes sugar. PET scan is based on this. What will happen if we give cancer a sugar? Cancer has to use it for respiration. The sugar is dangerous. Among teachers, Aerus is the strongest anti-cancer agent. What is Aerus? Aerus is a sugar. It has 2/3 of glucose. It has a very similar structure and it can be used for respiration as glucose. Aerus can be converted to CO2 and water. Not only that, Aerus is in our body. Aerus marrow structure aerosolus. Toxicity is very low. How Aerus was cancer. Cancer cell lines die with Aerus. It has worked in several cell lines tested. Also, Aerus inhibit or shrink tumor in vivo with mice experiments. Our experiments were done in 3 independent laboratories. Let's compare Aerus with other small molecules in our body. Blood glucose. Blood glucose can reach about 8 millimolar after we eat. People with diabetes can tolerate 30 millimolar for days. Plasma ketone. During fast, that may be after 1 day or 2, plasma ketones can rise to 15 millimolar during fast. Blood lactate. Blood lactate can reach 4 millimolar after we exercise. So Aerus. There isn't large amount of Aerus in our body, but effective Aerus concentration to kill cancer cell is about 4 millimolar, which is well within the tolerant range of our body to similar molecules. Aerus and normal cell. We test some normal cell for cell line viability up to 30 millimolar Aerus. The result is very similar as glucose. But there are many types of cells in our body. So how our body reacts to Aerus needs the further study, especially to high concentration with which cancer die. So here is a summary of Aerus versus cancer. Aerus is a sugar, is a 2/3 of a sugar of glucose. It has a very similar structure as glucose, and it also can be used for respiration as glucose to be converted to carbon dioxide and water. Aerus is in our body. Aerus structure marrow, aerosol toxicity is very low. Cancer cell lines die with 4 millimolar Aerus in 24 hours. Blood glucose can reach 8 millimolar after we eat. People with diabetes can tolerate 30 millimolar for days. For normal cell line viability up to 30 millimolar Aerus, it has a similar result as glucose. Aerus is very similar to glucose for all cells, but kills cancer. Energy is essential for all cells in our body. Technology can deliver the 4 millimolar Aerus to anywhere in our body. Cancer will be destroyed. The side effects could be as short-term diabetes. It's manageable and reversible. Although Aerus is sugar and exists in our body, before proper test, it should not be used to treat people. In general, it costs $1 billion to develop a drug. We need the money to do it. Before we do it, you have to wait. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your watching.